Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Thenjiwe.
And I'm Long John.
And thank you guys for watching our video. And I know a lot of you were not expecting to get this video. I just want you guys to know that Long John is a very special person to me, and he'll always be a very special person to me. But as individuals who've been together for a very long time.
It's been long right now. Hey, it's been like how many days? Like
25 days.
25. Hey.
And I've never been in a long relationship like the one I've had with Long John. And like any other couple, we've had our ups and downs. And it's come to a point where
we have to, it's a mutual agreement,
Yeah, all things come to an end.
It has to.
Yeah. So we've decided, and I don't want you guys to feel sorry or feel bad for us. This was a mutual agreement.
Yeah, it was a mutual agreement.
We've both
decided in this breakup.
We've both decided to go our different ways, and we're no longer going to be together as a couple. We're not going to be together as a married couple. We're not going to be together as a YouTube couple. I'm still going to be on YouTube, but now I'm going to change the name of the channel to Thenjiwe.
No. This is my channel.
I started the channel.
No, it's my email address.
It was my idea. You don't even know the password for your email address.
I know the password.
Anyway, guys, we've decided to go our separate ways, but I want you guys to be well assured that we remain as friends. We're going to remain as very good friends. And I don't want you guys to start maybe thinking just because Long John cheated on me, he's going to cheat on you. A person can cheat on their partner, but it doesn't mean they're going to cheat on their friends.
You cheated. No, I'm not the one that cheated here. You're the one that cheated. Wait,
and you guys must know that life goes on, and I want to say to all the single ladies out there that don't allow people to pressure you into being in relationships.
I didn't pressure anyone. I'm
not talking to you. I'm talking to my people.
You asked for my number, and I gave you the number.
I am talking to my people.
But you're talking about me.
Marriage is overrated, and relationships you can do very well as a single
I want my ring. I want my ring back.
The ring that you stole. You want me to tell people how you got the ring?
Okay, sorry.
So you guys must just continue to come to this channel. It's now going to be going back to being my own personal channel.
We haven't agreed about that. This is my channel. In fact, I actually have a new music video coming up soon. It's amazing.
I also have a music video that you can download on Spotify, on iTunes, and all other music platforms.
I also have my Spotify channel also. You can subscribe on mine.
And my music is going to be called Don't Trust Tall Men.
No, mine is going to be called I Broke Up With You First.
And I want you guys to continue supporting us on our separate journeys, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe.
Don't share her videos. She doesn't even know how to cook again. I hate your ice blocks. Terrible.
You can't even make ice blocks. I introduced you to the good things in life. And I just want to say, guys, thank you, and don't ever allow anyone to make you feel just because you are a single lady there's something wrong with you. And I also have some very good news to share with you guys. I'm now collaborating with a very, very, very big company that makes trash bags, and it's called Men Are Trash, and I'm going to be sending them here on my platform. They come in all different sizes, different colors.
Let me speak. You see, this is why I broke up with you, because you're not letting me speak.
Say something, Pale.
Something.
See how stupid he is, and you want me to be with you.
But you.
Anyway, guys, don't forget to come back to my channel. Next week, I'm going to be having a whole lot of brand new videos where I'm going to be advising single ladies about how to be happy without a man, how to do your hair, and how to be a very, very, very good and happy, healthy lady in a healthy relationship with yourself.
This is my camera, but I'm taking it. You take the YouTube channel.
Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.
Yeah, it's my camera.